You are think that you will catalyze me, you will scatter me away. Hey, I try again. Try again, because by the time you are finished with this you are doing to me, my Jesus will start a trouble. My Jesus will start a trouble with you. You are think that you finish with me. Hey, then you are finished. You are sit. That's the time that my Jesus begin to flock you. Hey, this that you are doing to me is nothing. I've been to fire. Hey, I've been to Boko Haram. I've been to everything. This time you are think you are beginning with me. I've seen more than that. I've seen Pharaoh. I've seen Lord shedding. Hey, by the time you think that you have light goes off just like this. Now you are come to me. You are just come.